All right, let's make a felt succulent. You can get the free pattern over on sweetbarsisters.com. You're going to cut it out of wool felt, and you're going to make this kind of spirally thing with these little succulent leaves. Are they called leaves on succulents? I'm calling them leaves. You're going to cut around. You'll want to make sure that as you cut nice and clean shapes, because that's going to be the tips of your leaves. And you're going to put a little dot of glue on your first leaf on the outside of your spiral and kind of just smush it together like that. Let the glue dry a bit. And you'll just go along like that. You'll just put some glue along the edge of one leaf, scrunch it up, glue on the bottom of a leaf, scrunch it up, and as you go along, you're going to see your cute little succulent taking shape. You'll just keep going along like that, pinching the leaves as you go, and that's it.